Marijuana, the burning weed with its roots in hell. The ease with which this vicious plant can be grown in your neighbor's yard, hidden in an innocent shoe or watch case, rolled into harmless-looking cigarettes. You will meet Bill, who once took pride in his strong will. Smoking the soul-destroying reefer, they find a moment's pleasure, but at a terrible price. Debauchery, violence, murder, and the ultimate end of the marijuana addict. Hopeless insanity. Marijuana, the burning weed with its roots in hell. See this now, before it is too late.